Inspirational web development, a beginner approach. What is JavaScript? Part 1. JavaScript is a programming language of HTML in the web. JavaScript has no relation with Java programming language. JavaScript is another programming language and it differs from Java programming language. Its codes look like this, as you see here in this animated picture. Where we put our JS code, inline JavaScript code. Here we have an HTML file, and inside it we put this JavaScript code inside the script tag. Where we put our JS code, we have external JavaScript code, something like CSS here, show.js with JS files. Here alert.js is nice. So this is an external JavaScript file. JavaScript code construction. We will not dive too much inside JavaScript and what we can do with it. We learn writing simple JavaScript code and we will be introduced to something called JavaScript libraries in the next lecture. And for now, we will know a little bit. Alert box. Making alert box using JavaScript shows an alert box something like this. So opening here Inspirational Web Development, creating a new folder, and it's just this. And here, Sublime, we save the file to Inspirational Web Development. Here we called it test1.html, and we type our doc type HTML and then HTML and just test. Great. Now let's make this just file. So if we open it using a browser, let's say just this is a just test here. So now we want to refresh, we will show an alert box. So here we type script and we close our script tag, and inside it we type alert, and inside alert we type this is a nice JavaScript code, and we put a semicolon at the end. When we refresh the page, you will see, wow, this is a nice JavaScript code here appears. This is an alert box. We have a prompt box that will let you enter something. So here, if we just comment this, we use double slashes, and you can use something like this. So this is a comment, and this is also a line comment, alert, blah 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 blah. So those are comments. Now we're gonna create a prompt. Please enter your name, and we put semicolon. When we refresh our page, wow, please enter your name, Muhammad. Actually, I'm not doing anything with the name here. Okay. We have also a confirm box, something like this. So we need to comment this using this technique. We type confirm, and inside confirm we type, are you sure you want to exit? Then we refresh. Are you sure you want to exit? Okay, or cancel. Okay. Does not do anything, by the way. For this. Those are some JavaScript code. We have too much code that we can deal with inside this script tag. This is great. Using JavaScript with HTML. Now let's combine it with HTML. Here you know that it's just here, but we need to combine it with HTML. So here we can make a button which has the name say hello. So here we have this button, say hello. When I want to click to this button, I need my page to just show the alert box here and see hello here, and say hello. So what we should do, we can use an attribute which is on click, and inside on click we type alert, or we use single quotes. Remember that you should not use double quotes because it will be misunderstood, as it will be something like this. So it will cause a problem. So I use single quote and type here, hello my friend, exclamation mark. So when I update this, click here, wow, hello my friend. This is really great. Sorry. Now the demo time. We will write a simple HTML page that have the following: a button for prompting for username, then saying hello to that user, a button to close the page. So let's see how we can do this test. Here we're gonna create another test file. Control new. I'm gonna type it magic.html. So inside magic.html doc type, let's do the HTML part first. So we're gonna call it magic. So here we will have an input, which type is text, and then a button which welcome me, and another button close. So here if we update, this is magic.html. Yeah, magic. Here we have an input. Here we have a welcome me, a button, and we have a close. So I need to type my name here, and when I click welcome me, it will say welcome Muhammad, and when I close, it will close this tab. Okay, it will close this tab. This is great. So we will make an external JavaScript file. So here I'm gonna type do.js, for example, whatever name you like. The most important thing is that its extension is .js, and inside it we're gonna type some script code. But first we need to include it here. So here we type src equals to do.js site. Remember that src, but when we use Linux, we type href. This is very important. So here we use src, which stands for source dot js. This is great. Now we need to access to this element. We need to access to this element. How? We're gonna give it an ID of text ID text. And now here we're gonna make something called a function. So we're gonna type function, show me whatever name you like, and then you open brackets. So you have these brackets and open braces here. This is great. Now here we want to access this element. How? We're gonna have a variable called name, whatever variable you like, equal to document, which stands for our HTML file document, then dot get element. Please note that it's a sensitive case. Get element by ID, and inside it we type what? We type this ID, the text, and then we type dot value. So now we get the value from this input. We want to alert it, so I'm gonna alert, then alert welcome space, and then here we type plus name. I'm gonna close, we're gonna put semicolon here. This is great. So now we welcome you. So inside welcome me here, type only click, and then instead of typing alert or something like that, we type just show me with two brackets here. So let's test this. We type here Muhammad, please welcome me. Welcome Muhammad. This is great. Type here, for example, Alex, welcome me. Welcome Alex. This is great. Now when we click close, we need to close this tab. So there is lots of thing to close the tab. Here we type only click equal to window, which is dot close, and you refresh. You click close, does not close. Actually, you are open it, so it cannot close this some property value. So it's okay if we just ignore it. Thank you.